'Twas the day after Christmas, and all through the house, every creature was hurting, even the mouse. The toys were all broken, their batteries were dead, and Santa was passed out with ice on his head. And Mama was sad because nobody was near to see the Christmas bill she'd be paying all year. You don't want that to be you. You don't want that to be you. So I suggest that you use the 10-10-30-50 Christmas worksheet that we'll have available for you and give yourself a budget, and that's the amount of money that you spend. And you sit and talk with the children. Have you ever thought about buying stock? Have you ever thought about starting a savings account? And then instead of your children going to school feeling like they have less than the other kids, your children are going to teach the other kids about building wealth and make them leaders and not followers. That's what I would say.
Well, we got a little surprise for you. My producers told me that they actually caught up with your kids, and they asked them what they're hoping to see under the tree. So let's take a look. These are your kids.
For Christmas, I want an LOL doll, a slime blaster, 2 snowmans, and a guitar. I want a Polaroid camera, a hoverboard, an iPhone X, another LOL doll, 10 LOL dolls.
I would like a TV, gift cards to Zoomies or Tilly's, and a new iPhone.
Candy. And some toys.
I want a bass guitar, a new iPhone, a camera, makeup, and a MacBook.
That's all. The end. Bye.
Oh, there's something else.
Did she say an iPhone and a MacBook? What is the cost of buying all these gifts?
Thousands of dollars. I heard thousands of dollars.
It's adorable. How can you resist that? It's so hard. I don't like to disappoint, and they just get me like right here.
Let me ask you a question. Why do you feel this need that you have to do this for them at Christmas? Explain that to me.
You know, like throughout the year, I feel like I say no a lot.
You know, parents, we get beat up about that word no, but that word no is very, very important. Sit your children down, tell them the real meaning of Christmas. Now, Mom can't get you everything, so what's the favorite thing that you want? You know, let's pick one favorite. That's what we gonna get. All right, check this out. Today, everybody in the audience is going home with a copy of Lynn's book, Living Check to Monday.
Yes.
And you're also gonna get 2 months. Lynn is giving